What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Coinbase to KuCoin. So for those people who do not know Tether, Tether is a stable crypto and its value is always equals to $1 and it's never gonna go up than that and it's never gonna go down than that. That's why it's called a stable coin. For those people who do not know Coinbase and KuCoin, Coinbase and KuCoin are a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And if you guys also want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description, which if you guys use, you guys can get up to $10 bonus. And if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's get into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to KuCoin.com and then you want to go on versus assets. And once you go on asset, you want to go on the deposit section, alright? And once you go on the deposit section over here, what you want to do is you want to choose USDT over here. So Tether is also known as USDT. And over here, you can pick which network you want to use to transfer USDT. So I'm going to use TRC20 because it is one of the cheapest network out there, alright? After you do that, come back to your Coinbase account and go on versus send and receive. And once you go on send and receive, on the send section over here, where it says pay with at the bottom, make sure to change it to Tether. It's going to be Bitcoin by default, so make sure to change it to Tether. And once you change it to Tether, where it says to, you want to paste the address which you copied from your, KuCoin. And after you paste the address over here at the top, enter the amount of, Tether you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer 2000 Nepalese rupees worth of Tether. Now remember, this is 2000 Nepalese rupees worth of Tether, not 2000 Tether, alright? You can scroll a bit down and click on versus continue and your Tether will be transferred from Coinbase to KuCoin. So it's that simple to transfer Tether. Hope you guys were able to understand and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.